love cars? Why do we have such a deep and passionate connection with cars? That's a question that every car enthusiast has heard at least once. But what's the answer? Why does something that the majority of people just see as a means of transportation consume us? Are we born with oil in our veins? Is that what drives us to open Instagram and find nothing but car pages? Or go on our feed on YouTube and realize that the only things that we are subscribed to have to do in some way with cars? Is that why we save all our money for the next mod instead of buying new clothes or better food? Why do these beautiful machines have some of us so hooked and so consumed with them? The answer is actually quite simple. It's freedom. See, cars give you freedom beyond what you actually realize. It's the feeling of something that's just been taking you around the limited area of where your life has existed so far, and now you're in control of it. And you can take it anywhere you want to go and see anything you want to see as long as you have it. It's the feeling of freedom and the feeling of control and the fact that you're now in control of this machine that gives you freedom. You can take this car anywhere and you can use it to see all kinds of new things that you've never seen before, or to go places that you've never been before. You can use it to express yourself, to understand yourself. And that's the beautiful thing about cars, and so many people don't understand, but for those of us who do, and those of us who really do love cars, it's a beautiful thing. And I think the biggest thing that nobody seems to understand is, aside from the freedom to literally take that car anywhere you want and see anything you want to see, it gives you a means of expressing yourself. Now everybody has their own way. Some people choose to do it through their fashion, through what they wear, how they dress, what they look like. Other people choose to do it through art, painting, drawing, creating music, creating videos. Anything you do as a means to express yourself, right down to the shoes you wear every day when you leave the house, the watch that you put on, your favorite hat. It's all a way of showing the world who you really are. And the beautiful thing about cars is that's how we communicate. Because everybody could have the same car, but we're not all going to do the same mods. We're going to treat them all differently. Nobody's car is identical to the next. And that's the beautiful part. We take something that we love and we build it into a version of ourselves. Everybody's car is unique to them and expresses their own personality. And it's the freedom to do so and to be able to show up to a car meet and have people that you would never normally talk to or never usually see, and see how they express themselves and share interests and spark conversations, and guaranteed you'll get along with most of them instantly. Now it's fine to have a car and not use that as your way to express yourself. To many it is just a means of transportation, but they will never see the true beauty in the car scene. There are so many people that will rag on you because they simply don't understand. From buying a beater from a barn just to fix it up and do an engine swap for cheap, to buying a brand new car and having the freedom to take that car anywhere and not have a worry in your mind of it breaking down or anything happening to it, but still being able to mod it to every specification that you want. And to those of us who have that burning passion inside of us and this deep love and commitment to cars, just make sure that you never let that go, because that is who you are and that is how you express yourself. Cars give us freedom in so many different ways that so many people just don't seem to understand, but once you do, it's such a beautiful thing. And that's why we love cars. Freedom.